Hello, welcome again. So this is lecture number 4 of part number 3. Lecture we will discuss condition based selections. In the last video we have discussed a IAT function and ILOC functions. So if you haven't watched the video, please go ahead and watch the video. So I have created this Jupyter notebook and I will go step by step. You can rewatch the video if it is not clear. So let's go ahead and run the sales. So I have a CSV file which is I have used in this CSV file. I have few data like few rows and few columns. So just assume that you want to select a row that index this column index is greater than 30. How you can do it? You just use df and then column and the name of column greater than 30. Second is also false because it is 20. The third, which is 30, which is equal and greater than, so it's true. So it's a series, but if you want to pass inside a data frame object, then you will see the whole data frame, the selected data frame, which is 30 and 40, right? Let's assume you have multiple conditions where you want to select a row which is greater than 30 and the data underscore 1, the value is equal to C. How you can do it? You can use the AND operator, like data frame index is greater than 30 and data frame underscore 1 is equal to C. So you can do is like that, right? So let's assume you have multiple selection, like instead of C it is X and Z. So in this data frame, if you want to select a rows which is equal to X and Z, how can you do is you use in functions. Remember, in the list we use in function. Here we will use is in function. They are same. So basically we are saying like data frame and the data underscore 2 is equal to X and Z. So it's a true false because the first and third row are true because X and Z are inside the row, right? Now let's go ahead and run. So you see the first and third column are selected. So you see that we are selecting all the columns. How you can select the selected columns name using this function, right? We have used this earlier before, but this for the time's sake I will go. So this column means we are selecting all rows, and the second list saying that these are the column name that we are interested. So we are selecting only index and data underscore 1. We are not selecting data underscore 2. So thank you guys. This is the last part of the selections based video. In the next upcoming video we will discuss about how we can insert or manipulate or modify the data frame. Thank you. See you in the next video.